How often do you consider the health benefits of your intimate moments in marriage? It's an intriguing thought, isn't it? We often view these moments as purely emotional or physical, but what if they hold the key to a healthier life? Yes, you heard it right. The intimate moments shared in marriage can actually be a catalyst for better health. Intrigued? Well, you should be. So, let's leave the surface and delve a bit deeper. Let's dive into the science behind these benefits. It's not just about the pleasure, there's a whole lot more to it. Let's delve into the surprising, scientifically proven facts about the health benefits of sex within marriage. First off, did you know that regular sexual activity can help to bolster your immune system? A study from Wilkes University in Pennsylvania found that individuals who had sex once or twice a week had a higher level of a certain antibody called immunoglobulin A, which is known to boost the immune system, compared to those who had sex less frequently. Moving on, let's talk about another benefit: stress reduction. Yes, you heard it right. According to a study published in the journal Biological Psychology, engaging in sex helps lower blood pressure, leading to a calmer, more relaxed state of mind. It's the body's natural way of helping you unwind and de-stress. Then, there's the aspect of better sleep. It's no secret that a good night's sleep is vital for overall health and well-being. The hormone oxytocin, also known as the cuddle hormone, is released during sex, promoting feelings of intimacy and relaxation, which can lead to better sleep. This was confirmed in a study published in the Journal of Women's Health. Last but not least, let's explore the claim that sex can increase lifespan. A study from the British Medical Journal found that men who had sex at least twice a week had a significantly lower risk of dying compared to those who had sex less than once a month. While the study focused on men, it's not a far stretch to assume that similar benefits might be enjoyed by women as well. All these benefits are not just random claims, they are backed by solid research. Of course, it's not just about frequency, but also about the quality of the relationship. A loving, committed relationship provides the best context for these benefits to manifest. So, as you can see, the benefits of sex in marriage extend far beyond the bedroom. But it's not just about physical health, it's about mental well-being too. When we talk about the intimate connection between two people in a marriage, we're also talking about a bond that significantly boosts mental health. Various studies have shown that a healthy sexual relationship within marriage can lead to reduced anxiety levels. It's like your very own natural stress reliever. It helps you unwind, relax, and feel more connected with your partner. In addition to reducing stress, sex also acts as a mood elevator. It's like a natural antidepressant, releasing endorphins, the body's feel-good hormones. This can lead to an overall improved mood and a more positive outlook on life. And let's not forget about the cognitive benefits. Some research suggests that regular sexual activity can lead to better memory and sharper thinking. It's like a workout for your brain. In essence, sex in marriage can be a powerful tool for mental health management. So, what's the takeaway from all of this? We've journeyed together through a fascinating exploration of the health benefits of sex in marriage. We've dived into science and psychology and discovered some intriguing facts and figures. It's been quite the enlightening adventure, wouldn't you agree? Let's take a moment to revisit the key points we've discussed. We've learned that sex in a marriage is not just about the physical connection or the intimate bond between two people. It's also a significant contributor to our overall health. It's like a well-rounded workout, strengthening our heart and boosting our immune system. We've also discovered that it's an excellent stress reliever, working wonders on our mental health. It also improves sleep quality, which in turn enhances our daily performance. Furthermore, the emotional bond and trust it fosters are invaluable to a happy, healthy marriage. But it's not just about knowing these facts, it's about incorporating them into our lives. If we can see sex as more than just a pleasurable act, but as a vital component of our overall health and well-being, we can truly reap its benefits. So let's not shy away from these discussions. Let's embrace them for the sake of our health, our happiness, and our relationships. Remember, a healthy sex life in marriage isn't just about pleasure, it's also about promoting overall health and well-being. So keep these facts in mind and make your marriage healthier and happier.